Hello Leo, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your love reading from 16th to 30th September. Now, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so check those videos as well. So let's see Leo, what's there? Six of Cups. Oh great. So it shows that somebody from your past is thinking about you or coming back. So we'll see in the readings here. Somebody who is thinking about you. You are thinking about them. You are thinking about the time you have spent with them. Or somebody from your past is coming back. This is what is the first card. So it seems like for me intuitively a reconciliation kind of energy, and this is something from your past. A relationship could revive, or so let me clarify. Six of Cups. So it's Nine of Wands here. So it seems that your person who was maybe you were in no contact, they were defensive, they were guarded, and you had there might have been a breakup between you two here. So they have finally unguarded themselves, like this is that person. Maybe you both had, it's a temporary separation or a breakup has happened. So there are chances of this person coming back to you here. This is what I get, Leo. So let's see what else. So they are unguarding themselves now, like they are, maybe you were trying to reach them but they were not responding, so they might at least read your messages and or they will communicate something. So they are unguarding themselves now. They were into a high guard, they had put a strong wall and you couldn't reach to them. So this is like coming down. This is what I feel here, Leo. Maybe they will speak to you also, but they think about you. This is what I feel here. What else for Leo? Leo, the Sun card. Of course, there is good news for some of you here. Yes, you got this. See, you got this, and after this, the Sun card is there. So of course, there is something to be happy about. This relationship will move forward. It will be a warmth relationship, starting again with renewed vitality, renewed energy, happiness. This is what I feel. Some of you are getting your ex back, definitely, and this relationship will go to another level with the Sun card. So let me clarify, why is the Sun card here? Why is the Sun card here? The Hierophant. Oh great. So some of they are committing, they are coming to commit here. See, they are committing for a long-term relationship. They might commit to engagement, they might commit to marriage, they might commit to you if there was like something, because this is just like, so someone is coming back to commit. Energies keep moving here and there, so you can take minus 15 days and plus 15 days on other sides, like this must have happened to you, while I'm doing this reading, or it will happen, or it could happen after till like around 15th September. This could happen to you here. So this is what I get here, Leo. Good. I mean, there is a commitment which will make you happy. Some of you definitely will get a message and they will commit to you. Hierophant card. There could also be marriage, or there could be engagement for some of you here. Some Leos getting married, or both of you planning to get married. So this is one. What else for Leo? Three of Cups. Celebration. So definitely something good. Very great, Leo. Celebration coming here. So it's celebrating with friends. This news you might be, this, see what an awesome combination you have here. Of course, it might not resonate with all of you here, but it is great to see such cards in relationship. It's a beautiful, beautiful card, Leo. And I hope it resonates with everybody. But being a general reading, this will resonate to some of you, definitely. Let's see what else for Leo. Temperance. So patience, balance, going with the flow. So you have been, this is your energy. You have been dealing with patience and balance for quite long time, and this has paid off, it seems here, with your person coming in for commitment, or taking the relationship to the next level. This is what I get. This is a Sagittarius card. You have a Taurus, you have a Leo card, you have the Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, you have the Wand card, so fire signs. You have Aquarius, Leo, Aries and Sagittarius, fire signs. So this is what I get. Let's see what else for Leo. Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings for some of you here. It could be about singles also, somebody coming with an offer of love to you, or you are attracted to someone and coming to you. For some of you who are ready for a relationship, who had previous breakup and now ready for relationship, new love coming to you, new attraction coming to you, and this is going to be a good one. I mean, it is like you can see it's blessed, divine hands that is coming to you. So I feel this will be a little slow energy because it's a pentacle energy here. It will not rush in like immediately, but if you properly nurture and if they nurture, so it's going to grow here. So singles and those who are ready for relationship, it is also their card. Also I feel that people who have separated, you and your person, kind of new beginnings also could come between you both, and the relationship will move forward. So definitely it is very good to hear what I see here, Leo, for you. So overall I will just pull out what could be the relationship here. Lot of communication between you two. Lot of communication, even in this, with this new, there could be lot of communication here. This also talks about for some of you traveling together. It's together going out, but there is definitely texting, messaging, calls, lot of communication between, and it is a sudden communication coming to you, and there is a forward movement, Leo. So this is what I feel here. So it's a good reading, Leo. All the best, and if you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for taking your time out, and stay blessed. Thank you.